February is Black History Month, and it's a time to remember and honor those who fought for equality in a world that was often working against them. Hi, I'm Gia from FindLaw.com, and today we're looking at a few African Americans who've had a lasting impact on America's legal landscape. Macon Bolling Allen. As the first Black lawyer in the United States, Macon Allen became a Justice of the Peace in Massachusetts in 1848, before he was even considered to be a U.S. citizen. Allen went on to open a law office in Charleston, South Carolina after the Civil War. He later worked as an attorney for the Land Improvement Association in Washington, D.C. Charlotte E. Ray. A graduate of Howard University School of Law, Ray was the first African-American female lawyer in American history after being admitted to the District of Columbia Bar in 1872. Although she struggled to find clients willing to entrust cases to a Black woman, she was still recognized as one of the best lawyers practicing what we now call corporate law in the country. Charles Hamilton Houston, known as the man who killed Jim Crow. Charles Houston also made a lasting impact on the law through mentoring the next generation of African American attorneys, including Thurgood Marshall and Oliver Hill. Speaking of Thurgood Marshall, Marshall was the first African American Supreme Court justice, serving 24 years on the bench from 1967 to 1991. As a lawyer, he founded the NAACP Legal Defense and Educational Fund and argued several civil rights cases in the Supreme Court, including the very important Brown versus Board of Education. Johnnie Cochran. Yes, he got O.J. acquitted, but beyond the O.J. trial, Cochran made a successful career out of protecting African Americans in Los Angeles from police brutality and abuse. As one of America's most powerful trial lawyers, he has an important legacy of bringing justice to Americans who are wrongfully harmed by the government or corporations. You can't talk about Black History Month without mentioning the 44th President of the United States. Barack Obama won the presidency in 2008, making him the first African American president. Over his 2 terms, he signed several bills and executive orders advancing race, gender, and LGBT equality. He continues to be best known for the Affordable Care Act, or Obamacare, which provided health care to an estimated 20 million people who were previously uninsured. This list only scratches the surface, so be sure to find more information at FindLaw.com. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Gia from FindLaw.com, and I'll see you next time.